What is your mortgage rate? If you're looking to buy a home or refinance, you might be asking yourself that question. My name is RJ Baxter with Fairway Independent Mortgage. And I'm going to attempt to answer that question today for you because there's a lot of misconception out there as to what interest rates are right now on a mortgage. You'll see advertised rates out there. You'll see different articles on rates going up or down. So how is your interest rate determined? Your interest rate in particular? The first thing to understand is that there's over 30 different things that affect what your interest rate is. There's things like what type of loan program it is, how much down payment you have, what your credit score is, if you're going to live in the house or buy it as an investment property, and a plethora of other things determine what your interest rate is. The other thing to keep in mind is the cost of the interest rate has a direct relationship to the rate. So in other words, it's an inverse relationship. As you have more closing costs, your interest rate should be lower compared to a lower closing cost option. And a lot of times what we refer to with this is what are called points or discount points. And basically points are a fee that you pay upfront on your loan in an effort to get a lower interest rate. And a lot of the interest rates you see online are advertised interest rates, and lenders are attempting to get you to call because they're advertising a super low interest rate. But the thing to keep in mind with a lot of these advertised rates is they do include points. It's not uncommon for lenders these days to quote interest rates with points. And if you pay points, your closing costs are going to be very high. So watch for that when you see online advertising for mortgage rates. The other thing too is I wanted to turn you on to a place that you can look to get a true sense of what actual interest rates are. And this is the Freddie Mac Weekly Mortgage Market Survey. And this is a survey of mortgages across the country, and it does include some fees and points. So it's a good litmus test as to where rates truly are. So you can cut through the noise and check out a gauge of where rates are. Now this is just an average though. So if you'd like to take a look at what the interest rate will be for your specific scenario, taking into account those 30 plus things that I mentioned that can affect your interest rate, I'd be happy to provide you a customized quote or answer any other questions that you have about a mortgage. So just give me a call. That's why I'm here. My name's RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.